Hey everybody, this is Mr. Berg again, bringing you SPAI combined like terms. We're going to do the same steps we did when they were integers. Integers are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. So those are integers. Working with rationals, fractions, and decimals are rationals. We're just going to work with fractions right now. Just working with fractions right now. So the first step you're going to do is take, and this is what we've been doing. It's in the other homework we did. I had examples. We did do a video. Let's do another video. We're going to take anything that's an x. So I'm going to start with the 35th x. Plus, we've been going over this in class. I'm going to start with 3/5 x, and then the other thing I see that has an x. This is what you need to do. Hopefully you watch this. This is how you do it. I'm going to find the other x, which is this one. And there's this one. So there's 3 numbers with an x. And that one shouldn't be with an x. But let's just get rid of that. So if you're watching this, you're lucky. So plus 2/5 x. I'm going to go plus 2/5 x. And then there's no other x's. So then I'm going to write plus 6/9. That would be this number here. And then plus 8/9. So because the x's have the same denominators, I can keep it. So remember, with adding or subtracting fractions, you keep the denominator the same. And I'm going to add on the top the 2 numerators. So it'll look a little something like this. You don't have to go and grab what I'm grabbing. You probably don't know how, but just to make it clearer, we'll do the 3 plus the 2. That's the 2 numerators up there. And I'm going to keep the 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Notice I went to 3 plus the 2, which is 5. And then we can't forget to put the x. And then over here, I'm going to do the 6 plus the 8. And that's over 9. And that's the basic step. And then the next step would be to simplify. I'll take this if you can do this, but try to do the next part. I won't take off. 5/5 is 1, so that's just 1x. You don't have to put the 1 in front. 9 goes into 14 once with 5 left over. So that would be 1 and 5/9. This is the same thing, but you have negatives. And this one, you're going to want to get the proper denominator first by multiplying 2/5 by 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 8 is 40. 7/8 by 2/2. So 7 times 2 is 14. And 8 times 2, 8 times, oh, sorry, I messed up. Let's go over it again. We're going to go 2/5. Let me just write this out for you. I'm trying to do it quick. So we're going to take 2/5, a, and we're going to multiply this by the denominator of the other one, 7/8. So I'm going to multiply the numerator by 8 and the denominator by 8. I'm going to take the 7/8a, and I'm going to multiply it by the other denominator. So that's a 5 down here. So we did this in the beginning of the year. We did this last year. This is how you add and subtract with fractions. For this one, I want to take the 4/5, and then I want to use the other number. I can't use any of the a's, so that's 2/3. So I'm going to multiply this by the denominator of 2/3. Both the numerator and the denominator are going to be multiplied by 3. And then for the 2/3, I'm going to multiply this by the denominator of this fraction, both the numerator and the denominator by 5. So you're going to do 8 times 2 and then 8 times 5 with the A, plus 5 times 7 and 5 times 8 with the A. And then you're going to do 3 times 4 and 3 times 5, plus 5 times 2 and 5 times 3. Good luck.